Hello everybody, welcome again. Bit of progress report again on the F-106 Delta Dart. Is the situation we are at the moment. The cockpit is all in one piece with the intakes in it. So let's have a little look at what we got to that stage. Right, so we got the tape off and some of the parts sanded down or scraped off. I left some parts off so I can unsanded so I can show you how I do things. But I've painted parts of it and the black stripe on the front. Now I can use the ready for the nose to go on like this. So we'll have the nose there. Oh, which way is it? There we are. A little knobbly bit there to show. So it's going to be that long. I'll look different when it's on. When it's finished, big long kit. This one. Start. And the tanks are all painted. I'll probably do another coat of them. I've just got the underside weapons bay to put in. But I've got other parts to put in the weapons bay as well, so I'll get those done first as well. But in the meantime, I'll get the magnifying glass out and we'll try and use it to show you how I scrape off the seams, you know, and the joints. Right, see if this will show up in focus. I've got the magnifying glass in between the lens of the camera and the model itself, so hopefully you can see that there's a seam along here. So all I do, there's a little bit of a mould in there too, I've got to try and not to scrape that off. I just get the blade at an angle and scrape it off carefully, gently, and lots of gentle strokes, better than one big one. Try not to remove too much detail underneath as well, just see what I'm doing. It's harder when I'm doing it via camera, but you know what I mean. I wanted to show you this, just to show you how I do it. And then once the bulk has come off, I can just do sort of rotational sanding, moving the kit underneath, the model underneath, so to try and avoid having flat spots and keep it nice round surface there. So now that should be, it's improved. I'll do more off camera, but that's basically how I do it. Oh, don't blow it, really good. There we are. And another closer look at the inside of the cockpit. It's funny, isn't it? Bit of magnifying glass version. But what I've got to do as well is to fill the crack there, this gap here between the two halves. Put a bit of model fill on that, just rub it in and sand it off when it's dry. But there we go. I'll get ready to do next week. Hopefully we'll have some dry days and we'll get that all together. And then it's just the undercarriage really. But I gotta wait for blue paint to come in. I got some clear blue to put on order for the forward half of the canopy, but we'll see that later on. Thanks for watching and speak to you again. Bye.